A very good morning to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest of the day, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. He has received a BTech CSE Computer Science Engineering from Venkateshwara University, Tirupati, and Andhra Pradesh in the year 2000, and completed his MTech IS in Intelligent Systems from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh in the year 2004. He received his PhD from JNTUA Subbarao. Currently, he is working as head research and professor of information technology at Blue Crest University, Monrovia, Liberia. He has 19 years of teaching and industrial experience. He served as the head Department of Information Technology, SP College of Engineering, and Tirupati during 2007 to 2009. He has 7 IBM professional certifications to his credit, such as RAD, RFT, DB2, RTC, TDS, Lotus Domino, and WID. He has 2 Microsoft, 3 edX, 2 TechGig professional certifications, 2 Cybery micro certifications, 2 Udemy certifications on Python, 2 Solo Learn certifications on C++, 9 NPTEL certifications, and 4 spoken tutorial project certifications from IIT Bombay. His area of interest includes data science, big data analytics, data mining, artificial intelligence, and robotic process automation, cloud computing, pattern recognition, machine learning, and software engineering. He is a professional member of IEEE, Scopus ID, CSI, ACM, ISTE, IAENG, IACSIT, ICST, SCIEI, VSRDIJ, NASCOM, ASDF, Meeting Forum, and ICA, Indian Congress Association. He is an editorial board member of iManager's Journal on Cloud Computing, an international journal of advanced research in computer science and electronics engineering, editorial member of Journal of Advances in Management Sciences and Information System, associate editor of International Journal of Research and Innovations in Engineering Education. He is a professional reviewer of Springer Nature, World Journal of Engineering, IEEE, Springer, Elsevier, Indoscience, Hindawi, CSI, Journal of Advances in Management Sciences and Information Systems, Data Mining and Knowledge Management, IAENG, and VSRB CSIT. In his career, he performed various roles like HOD, R&D, NBA, BOS, NAC, TQP, QIP2, IIIC, NPTEL, EDC, TGMC, AICTSIP, STP, and IBM COE coordinator. He has guided 2 PhD and 5 students pursuing PhD, 14 MTech, and 62 BTech batch students. He has published more than 195 papers in international journals and conferences. He has attended more than 185 workshops, symposiums, and seminars. He has conducted and acted as resource person for more than 115 international or national conferences, workshops, symposiums, and seminars. He has published 5 textbooks, 3 data science applications, machine learning techniques, methodologies for software testing, 2 on machine learning and data science, and 5 book chapters, and obtained 2 patents to his credit. He has received various awards and he has visited many countries like Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and Liberia. It gives us a very much pleasure to welcome him for our session today. Welcome, sir. I'm handing it over to you right now.
Yeah, thank you. A nice introduction. Today, I'm going to explain various concepts of data science and applications by using machine learning and deep learning techniques. I'm going to demonstrate applications by using Python programming. And a warm welcome to international webinar on data science applications using machine learning and deep learning techniques. I think everybody knows data science is a buzzword in the industry, and data science is the process of examining and extracting hidden patterns from the large volume of data. We are extracting interested analytics from the huge volume of data by applying scientific and statistical methods like AI techniques, machine learning, and deep learning techniques in order to extract various data analytics. Before going to our topic data science, we are living in this era, terabytes of era. And how many users are connected to this internet world right now? Within 60 seconds, what is happening? Internet is a network of networks. Network is a connection between, interconnected between the systems. So internet is developed by Bold Bernard Newman. See, there are three types of networks usually: LAN, local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. So within 60 seconds, how many Facebook users are connected? How many users are connected in the social networks? How many users are watching, viewing videos in the YouTube? I'm going to show you demo practical by using this URL. The URL is www.internetlivestats.com. If you click this URL, so you come to know how many users are connected in this internet world. Now see here, my screen is visible. Please check internet users in the world. How many
Yes, sir.
users? Yeah. Can you read this number? It is very huge number. See now how many users are connected to this internet world, and the total number of websites opened in this second. How many emails sent today? See, number is drastically changing now. Google searches today, blog post written, tweets sent today. That means how many users are connected in this world. Videos viewed today on YouTube, photos uploaded in this Instagram, Facebook active users. See, number is changing drastically. That means where the data is coming from, how the data is stored, how many servers are required. That's why we are going towards cloud computing. Cloud computing is nothing but internet-based technology. The backbone of cloud computing is data center and virtualization. Data center is nothing but collection of high integrated servers at one place is called data center. And virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system by using VMware technology, hypervisor, Zen, virtual. So that's why every organization moving towards cloud computing because of huge volume of storage. Because as a users we are producing a huge volume of data by using social networks, YouTube, Netflix, etc. So that is the internetlivestats.com. I have incorporated same thing in this slide. How many users are connected to social networks? How many users are watching YouTube videos? How many users are sending text messages like tweets, etc. So this is a small introduction about how the data is flowing, how the data is flowing between server to server, system to server, server to system, data center to data center, likewise. So, once again, warm welcome to Data Science International webinar. I'm going to cover, these are the topics: Introduction to Data Science, Statistics, Python Programming, Go Programming, Artificial Intelligence, Data Mining, Artificial Neural Networks, Machine Learning, Deep Learning, and followed by the augmented reality and or virtual reality technology, and followed by the applications demonstration. I'm going to show you practical session, COVID-19 virus chest X-ray images prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques, Omicron virus prediction and detection, Ebola virus prediction and detection, prostate cancer prediction and detection, breast and lung cancer prediction using various techniques, monkeypox prediction and detection. By right now, I am doing on this hot topic, monkeypox prediction detection using machine learning and deep learning techniques. So actually, whenever and wherever I'm going to demonstrate data science, these are the 10 topics and followed by the 6 applications usually I'm going to demonstrate. So we all are computer science students. We all are graduates from computer science students. Computer understands only ones and zeros. That means binary language. If you press capital A, system cannot understand it is capital A because internally it converts into ASCII format. ASCII format is nothing but American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Capital A value is 65. If you divide it by 2, the binary equivalent of 65 is 100001. So that means computer understands only binary language. Now see the measuring the data in data science. What is the jargon of measuring the data in data science? 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words is equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. After that, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes. Hi, I'm Robo. My speed is 1 terabytes and my memory is 1 zettabyte. Before that Robo movie, we don't know the terminology in public, especially in society. So thanks to Director Shankar and Rajni sir, they have used this terminology. And 1024 octabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte, 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte, 1024 yottabytes is equal to 1 brontobyte, 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. After geobyte, infinity. These are the terminology we must know being a computer or IT students. And if you see same terminology in mathematical normal range, kilobyte is 10 power 3, megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 12. If you see same range in big data range, petabyte is 10 power 15, hexabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the data in data science. So the first concept, first module is Introduction to Data Science. At least these 10 topics, what are the topics are available, what we should know being a CSC and IT students. So what I am going to cover, please see here, fundamentals of data science, components of data science, workflow of data science tools and techniques, data analytics using statistical methods, data analytics using artificial intelligence techniques, data analytics using data mining techniques, data analytics using artificial neural networks techniques, data analytics using machine learning techniques, data analytics using deep learning techniques. In Python programming, what are the variables and data types? Basic mathematical operations, operator precedence, string operations, functions, conditional statements, classes and objects, collections like tuples, lists, sets, dictionaries, loop statements, file operations, exceptions handling. Then standard library NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Theano, TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. These are the libraries I have used in my data science research laboratory in order to perform health data analytics. Under advanced Python programming, I have used Python for data science, Pandas library, NumPy library, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, and followed by the techniques like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, support vector machine, decision tree, and deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, Keras, neural networks techniques like artificial neural networks, convolutional neural networks, and importing and manipulation of data, and concepts of Python with data science, and a few more concepts like data frame, functions, and data preparation, natural language processing, data science, cyber money laundering detection, anomaly detection using machine learning, heart disease prediction using machine learning, an introduction to click view tool, click scale tool. Click view and the usage of this tool in data science domain, Myers-Briggs personality prediction using machine learning, spam classification using machine learning, movie review classification using ML, customer segmentation model creation using machine learning, emotion detection using Python, wine quality prediction using deep learning, Twitter data set classification using deep learning. So you must know various application domains are available, what to do. In the Go programming, what are the basic programs, constructs, functions, working with data, methods and interfaces, Go routines and channels, packages and testing, working with Go, and standard libraries. There are executable packages and utility packages. So Google programming introduced by Google company, and the inventors are Ken Thompson and his team, and it is very powerful concurrency programming language nowadays. And the fourth module is statistics, study of numbers and generating interested data analytics by using, see, these are the topics I am going to cover: types of data, fundamentals of statistics, mean, mode and standard deviation, statistical tools, statistical techniques, classification, regression, linear regression, nonlinear and logistic regression. In this fifth module, artificial intelligence. So introduction to artificial intelligence, expert system, A-star algorithm, fuzzy logic and soft computing, artificial neural networks, single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, linear regression with artificial neural networks, logistic regression, and non-linear regression, convolutional neural networks. So I think everybody knows artificial intelligence. Intelligent behavior in a machine. Best example, robot. The science and engineering to make intelligent machines. Artificial intelligence introduced by John McCarthy in the year 1969. Module 6th, data mining. Data mining is nothing but extracting meaningful interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying classification, clustering and association rule mining techniques. In this data mining, I am going to cover pre-processing of data, fundamentals of data mining tools, data mining techniques, decision tree, random forest, K nearest neighbor, support vector machine, K means clustering, association rule mining, a priori algorithm, frequent pattern growth algorithm. Very interested topics. Then module 7, artificial neural networks. So what I'm going to cover, what is artificial neural networks, types of artificial neural networks, feed forward and back forward neural networks, K nearest neighbor algorithm, K artificial neural networks algorithm implementation, what are the applications of ANN, generative adversarial networks, GANs. See, GANs are very important technique in order to perform as a human being, how the human being growing from child to old age, facial expression, facial changes over the period by using GANs techniques, very important technique. Then radial basis function networks, SLP, MLP, SOM, single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, self-organizing maps. Then module 8, machine learning. What is meant by machine learning? Learning from the observational data. There are three approaches we are using in machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Under supervised learning, what is meant by supervised learning? There is a label, there is a target class, we are dividing groups based on the target class by using various classification techniques: linear regression, logistic regression, non-linear regression, types of classifications, decision tree, support vector machine, random forest, k nearest neighbor, etc. Then what is meant by unsupervised learning? Unsupervised learning is nothing but there is no target class, there is no label, but I am going to divide groups based on the similarity measure. How do you calculate the similarity measure? By using Euclidean distance, Manhattan distance, Minkowski distance. Examples of unsupervised learning techniques: clustering. K means clustering, and fuzzy C means clustering, agglomerative clustering. Then what is meant by reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning is nothing but based on the punishment and reward, we are solving the problems. And based on the punishment and reward, example, robots. Especially we are using reinforcement learning in a gaming application. In order to develop games, we are using reinforcement learning techniques such as SARSA. SARSA is nothing but state action, reward, state action with the eligibility traces. DQN, deep Q networks. There are two types of approaches like discrete reinforcement learning, continuous reinforcement learning. DDPG, deep deterministic policy, gradient, and A3C, asynchronous advantage actor critic algorithm. See, very important topics of data science is machine learning and deep learning. So what is meant by deep learning? Learning from the observational data with a deep manner by applying various number of input and hidden layers. So deep learning versus machine learning differences: data processing and analysis with Python, deep learning applications, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and long short-term memory networks. These are the various algorithms we are using in deep learning. And various applications like healthcare data analysis with Python, detection of COVID-19 virus on X-ray images using CNN and RNN, brain tumor detection using deep learning techniques, and ECG heartbeat analysis. I am going to demonstrate these applications, and followed by the AR/VR technology nowadays, augmented reality and virtual reality. History of augmented and virtual reality, differences between augmented and virtual reality, basics of computer vision and multimodal interaction, AR system, augmented reality systems for fault inspection and digital twin, virtual reality system development in Unity, rendering real-time sensor data in AR/VR model, human-robot interaction using AR/VR systems, what are the applications and challenges of AR/VR system. In my research laboratory, data science research laboratory, with the help of BTech and MTech and my research scholars, PhD students, we have implemented various projects in data science and analysis. These are the various projects I have implemented. Examples, healthcare cost regression using exploratory data, descriptive analysis, detection of COVID-19, likewise, face recognition application, various nearly 100 applications we have developed in my research data science research laboratory. If you see, these are the projects, these are the concepts, various domain concepts I have implemented. So total 100 projects. If you are final year students or if you are interested in order to develop data science projects, I am going to help you and you can ask with Gopirajan sir. He is going to share my details to you. You can contact personally or as a group if you want to implement any research article or conference paper. I am going to help you and any sort of any Python programming or Go programming. These are the 100 topics we have implemented. What is the prerequisition of data science? So these are the three major concepts are prerequisition like statistics, mathematics, any one programming knowledge. In statistics, we must know inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. In mathematics, you must have knowledge on linear algebra and calculus. In programming knowledge, you must have knowledge on Excel, Python, or SQL, Go language, Java, JavaScript, any one programming language. And this is my own chart. I have prepared based on my experience. I have created my own chart. It is a prerequisition of data science. What is data? Data is a raw material. Data may be a fact or image. Data may be audio, video, text, graphics, animation, etc. So once we have data, we are processing the data. That means we are eliminating redundant data, noisy data, inconsistent data, irrelevant data, then it becomes information. So information is nothing but processed data is called information. Then what is meant by database? Database is nothing but collection of interrelated data. So in order to manage the database, we are using database management softwares, database management system softwares. Like there are two types of DBMS softwares are there. Example, relational databases, non-relational databases. Relational databases are traditional database tools like SQL, MySQL, Data, DB2, MS Access, etc. And non-relational database tools like Mongo database, Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, Scoop, Uzi, Cassandra. Those are the non-relational databases. So collection of softwares is nothing but a database management system. Then what is meant by database system? Database system is a combination of data, DBMS. So storing of small amount of data in server is called data mart. Data mart is a subset of a data warehousing. So data warehousing is nothing but storing huge volume of data in a system or server data center. That is called a data warehousing. Collection of data marts or online analytical processing is called data warehousing. Once we are storing huge volume of data in a server or a system or a data center, what you are going to do? I'm going to extract meaningful interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying classification, clustering, association, rule mining techniques. Then big data. Big data deals with big data sets like volume, velocity, and variety. Volume says that what is the size of the data? whether you are handling terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, yottabytes, zettabytes, and yottabytes, like brontobytes and geobytes. What that is called the volume of the volume means size of the data. Variety different file formats we are handling in the real time environment, like XML files, HTML files, flat files, various files. Then velocity, the speed at motion and downloading, uploading of the data, volume, audio, video data. The speed at the motion of the data is called a velocity. So, a big data having three major V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Then the buzzword. The buzzword in the industry is data science. Data science is the process of extracting hidden patterns, examining hidden patterns and extracting meaningful interested patterns by applying statistical and scientific methods like AI and ML and DL techniques. That is called a data science. This is my own chart, my own understanding, perception towards data science. My dear students, what is the technical name of this image? Before going to this image, I'll ask you simple question. How do you publicize about your Savita Engineering College? Through pamphlets, through dashboards, through banners, scorecards, digital boards, SMS, mails, etc. This is one more way of publicizing about data science. I have incorporated all the terms, jargon, terminology about data science: knowledge, solving, programming, analysis, process, structure, system. Everything I have incorporated in this image. What is the technical name of this image? Can anyone answer in the chat box? My dear students, can anyone answer what is the technical name of this image? Sir, they are having access to give answer to this question. My dear, yeah. My dear students, are you understanding my language? Then answer to my question. What is the technical name of this image? Somebody has trying to give answer. What is the technical name of this image? Yes. Okay. I am giving the answer. The technical name of this image is called a data science word cloud. So word cloud is nothing but everything we have incorporated, all the tools and techniques and terminology, jargon of data science. Then, so what is data science? What are the components and tools and life cycle and applications? So data is a central to data science, and data are many types like character data, numeric data, string oriented data, audio data, video data, etc. So that are collected through observation, through various tools and techniques we are applying to collect the data. That's why data is a central to data science. So types of data: categorical data and numerical data. What is meant by categorical data? Example: marital status, that means single, widow, married, bachelor, etc. Political party, eye color. These are the examples of categorical data. Numerical data, again, we are classifying into discrete and continuous. Discrete data is nothing but number of children, defects per hour, counted items is called discrete items. Continuous data means our age is continuously growing. That is called a continuous data. Sometimes our weight also continuously growing. Sometimes voltage also continuously growing. That is called a continuous data. Measured characteristics is nothing but continuous data. So how do we collect the data? With the help of data collection tools. Through interviews, we are collecting the data. Through observation, we are collecting the data. Through surveys, we are collecting the data. Through usage data, we are collecting the data. Through focus groups, we are collecting the data. Data is essential for data science. Keep in mind. Then data science is a multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary subject. So scientific method with combination of scientific methods, math, statistics, advanced computing, visualization, hacker mindset, domain expertise, data engineering, etc. Then data science. There are 7 steps we are following in data science. Data science encompasses preparing data for analysis, including cleansing the data, aggregating the data, manipulating the data to perform advanced data analysis by applying various tools and techniques, various scientific methods, various statistical methods, etc. There are 7 steps we are following in this data science process. The first step, collection and acquisition of data. Second step, we are storing the data in a system or server or data center. Next, cleansing the data. That means we are processing the data. We are eliminating noisy data, redundant data, inconsistent data, dirty data. Then fourth step, we are integrating multiple data sets. Then fifth step, we are doing analysis with the help of techniques and applications. Then sixth step, representation and visualization. Once we are getting the output with the help of bar chart, pie chart, line chart, etc. Then seventh step, manager or principal would like to take actions based on the analysis report. These are the 7 steps. So data science sources. Where is the source? We are getting huge volume of data from social network data, financial data, multimedia data like audio, video, text, graphics data from YouTube, Netflix, Prime, Amazon Prime, iTunes, etc. Then data from ERP systems, enterprise resource planning systems, and Internet of Things, mobile apps data, and microphones data, sensor media data, data in health, data in marketing, cameras data. So data has become too complex and too dynamic to be able to process the data, to store the data, to analyze the data, to manage with the traditional data tools. So these are the data sources. Then data science workflow. First step, capturing the data. That means we are collecting the data, managing and cleansing the data. Then we are doing exploratory analysis. Then we are doing final analysis and reporting the data with help of visualization. Then these are the data science workflow methods. First, we are understanding the business understanding. Business understanding means we are framing the problem. Then second one, data understanding, data importing, data cleansing and manipulation, statistical modeling and machine learning, and finally reporting and visualization. Then if you see what are the important characteristics of data science. See, I have explained already volume. Volume is nothing but size of the data, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes. And velocity means speed and motion of the data. Whether we are handling real-time data, near-time data, periodic data, batch processing data. And variety. Variety is one of the characteristic of data science. What type of files we are handling? Audio file, video file, text, graphics, animation, social media, and what kind of file we are handling. That is called a variety. Next, the first module, Introduction to Data Science. If you are having any queries, please post in the chat box so that I can answer at the last 10 to 15 minutes. So, in this introduction to data science, so data science is the process of examining large amounts of data of variety of types. So, like to uncover hidden patterns, unknown correlations, and other useful information. So why do we study about, why do we care about data science? You are getting doubt. Sir, why do I want to study data science? That means if you are having more data, it leads to the more knowledge leads to the more money. See, all business magnates, what they are doing, so they are collecting huge volume of data through surveys, through opinions, and various collection methods they are using. So definitely, if you are having more data, leads to the more knowledge leads to the more money. So more knowledge leads to better customer engagement, fraud prevention, and new products. So why learn data science? So it is a fuel of 21st century. It's a problem of demand and supply, a lucrative career. Data science is changing the world, and data science is future. So data science can add value to any business who can use their data well. So in order to take better decisions, data science is valuable to any company, any industry. So following are the sectors where data science has provided its importance. See, finance, e-commerce, advertising, search engines, healthcare, banking and securities, transportation, forecasting, and commercials, education, media and entertainment, manufacturing, image, speech, and text recognition. So these are the sectors we are using data science. Data science process is nothing but first we are collecting raw data collected, then data is processed, data cleans, data set, exploratory data analysis, models and algorithm, and then communicate, visualize, report, data product, and make decisions. So Facebook alone generates more than 1000 terabytes of data, whereas many other organizations like Jet Airways and Stock Exchange, so every hour market generates terabytes of data every hour. So data science is a collection of data sets which is so large and complex that is difficult to handle using DBMS tools. There are three types of data: structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. Structured data is nothing but the data is organized in a highly mechanized and manageable way with the help of relational database tools like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2MS Access, examples like tables, transactions, legacy data, etc. Unstructured data is nothing but there is no schema, there is no syntax, but we are creating the tables on unstructured data with the help of Mongo database, Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, Cassandra, etc. Those are the non-relational database tools. These data is raw and unorganized. It varies in its content and can change from entry to entry. Unstructured data is nothing but audio, video, text, graphics, social media, etc. Semi-structured data is nothing but 50% structured and 50% unstructured is called semi-structured data. So what is data analytics? So data analytics is the process of analyzing new data in order to make conclusions. Analyzing raw data in order to make conclusions about that data, about that information is called data analytics by using various tools and techniques. The complete guide on enterprise data analytics. First, we are collecting business understanding, data exploration, data preparation, data modeling, data evaluation, and finally we are deploying the product. So this is the data analytics process. First, we are extracting business understanding the problem, data exploration, data preparation, data modeling, and data evaluation. So what is meant by data collect? Collect the data from sources, measure information from collected data, analyze the process for issues and the root causes, improve, determine and implement improvement actions, and the fifth one, control, help to system with improved information. This is about data analytics process. Who uses data science? See here, data science, major companies, major big gigantic companies like Google, Amazon, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Uber, Airbnb, Disney Box, NASA, they are using data science. Keep in mind. Definitely, if you try to learn data science concepts, definitely you will settle as a data scientist. So these companies are adopting data science tools and techniques for their business improvement. These are the companies, Amazon, Google, etc. So what are the structure of data science? There are three tiers. So before going to give as input to the system, we are performing data processing. Data processing is called, we are using big data technologies or about discovering patterns and development of data science standards, software commonly driven by companies such as Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo. Tier 1 data sources, tier 2, this is architecture, and tier 2 big data analytics, and tier 3 finally analytics. Tier 1 we are having data sources such as two types, structured data and unstructured data. Structured data consists of database, data warehouse, enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management. Unstructured data, audio, video, text, graphics, clickstream, web logs, documents, Excel, CSV, comma separated variable, social media, etc. You can choose a tier 2 big data analytics such as any one tool. Hadoop. Hadoop is a framework in order to process the big data sets. Hive is a data warehousing tool in order to store huge volume of data. MapReduce is a programming model where we are writing Java code in order to execute and compile and perform and running the application. MATLAB is a matrix laboratory in order to perform image processing application, audio, video, graphics application. We are using MATLAB. And finally, analytics. We are generating reports and scorecards, dashboards, etc. With the help of various tools like Tableau and some Excel, or with these are the tools we are using in order to generate analytics. Then these are the data file formats such as audio, video, image, photos, graphics, animation, textbooks, and SQL files, DB2 files, Teradata files, various kinds of files. This is called data variety. It is one of the characteristics of data science. So that's why data science is a combination of visualization, statistical modeling, statistical computing, data technology, data research, data consulting, real world application, scientific methods. So data science is to capturing the data with help of data acquisition, data entry, signal reception, data extraction. Then data science is to maintain data warehousing, data cleansing, data staging, data processing, data architecture. And data science is to process data mining, clustering, data modeling, data summarization. Data science is to analyze, exploratory, confirmatory, predictive analysis, regression, text mining, qualitative analysis, and finally data science is to communicate. Data reporting, data visualization, business intelligence, decision making. And data science is a multidisciplinary subject with a combination of databases and data processing, knowledge discovery, database, data mining, machine learning, artificial intelligence, neurocomputing, pattern recognition, statistics, etc. These are the various subjects we are using. Then data science life cycle is nothing but first step. Business problem understanding, data collection, data cleansing and preparation, exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, machine learning, model evaluation, data visualization. So what are the main components of data science? There are four major components in data science. That is called data exploration. Data exploration is nothing but it consumes more volume of data, more amount of data. Modeling is nothing but simplified version of the reality. It is a second step where we use machine learning algorithms. Testing the data. We are testing with the data with the training data. It gives performance of the model. Deploying models. Once completed a product, we are deploying into the market. That is called a deployment model. And a few more components like data, big data, machine learning, statistics and probability, and programming language. See, first one, data. Data is a collection of factual information. There are three types of data: structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. And big data is nothing but it deals with the three V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Not only three V's, there are seven V's are there, like veracity, viscosity, vision, value, validity, etc. Machine learning is nothing but learning from the observational data. And there are three approaches we are using: machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Statistics and probability is nothing but the numerical foundation of data science is insights and likelihood. So, any one programming language like Python, Go, Java, JavaScript, etc. Generally, data organization and investigation is finished by any one computer programming language called Python or R. So in data science, we are using data strategy, data engineering, data visualization and operationalization, and data analysis, and finally modeling. So these are the data science tools we are using. Structured, statistical analysis software, Apache Spark, Big Machine Learning, D3.JavaScript, MATLAB, Excel, ggplot2, Tableau, Jupyter, Matplotlib, NLTK, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Weka. SAS is a statistical package. Apache Spark is a big data tool. BigML for big data processing tool. D3 it is for big data tool. MATLAB for image processing tool. Excel for to generate the statistics we are using Excel. ggplot2 it is a library in R programming tool. Tableau is a visualization tool. Jupyter it is a editor for Python programming. Matplotlib is a library in order to generate visualization, graphs. NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, it is a tool for conversion of one language to another language, Chinese to Hindi, Hindi to Chinese. Then Scikit-learn, that is called sklearn, it is a library in order to process machine learning algorithms. TensorFlow is a framework in order to process artificial intelligence applications or deep learning applications. Weka is a data mining tool. Waikato, environment knowledge for analysis. Weka is a Weka came from Mecca. Mecca is a flyless bird. Weka tool developed by Waikato University professors at New Zealand. So these are the important data science tools are available. Apache Hadoop. Hadoop is a framework in order to process the big data tool. TensorFlow, it is a framework in order to process the deep learning applications. Apache Spark, it is a big data tool. MATLAB, I have explained. SAS, Tableau, BigML, Matplotlib. These are the various tools. So data science tools for small business, small scale industries, what they are using data science tools. Google Analytics, Excel, Burst, Crazy Egg, Kissmetrics, ClickSense, Insight Squared, Tableau, TIBCO, Spotfire, Clear Story Data, etc. And data science tools like Tableau, Excel, RapidMiner, Data Robot, ClickView, H2O, TensorFlow, BigML, Snowflake, Trifactor. Snowflake, Trifactor are the data warehousing tools. BigML for big data tool. H2O for artificial intelligence tool. ClickView for visualization tool. data robot for artificial intelligence tool, rapid miner for data mining tool. Remaining I have explained already. Then what are the top 10 data science algorithms? It starts with linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, naive Bayes classification, k nearest neighbor algorithm, support vector machine, k means classification, decision tree is a classification technique, naive Bayes is a classification, k nearest neighbor classification, support vector also classification, and k means is a clustering algorithm. PCA stands for principal component analysis for image processing, face recognition technique. Neural networks, it is a classification technique. Random forest, it is a classification technique. So, data science, you need to learn any one programming language like Python or Java. So, data visualization, you need to have knowledge on Tableau, Power BI, Matplotlib, ggplot, Seaborn. Any one IDE, PyCharm, Jupyter, Collaboratory, Spider, or Studio. Web scraping, Beautiful Soup, Scrapy, URL lib. Deployment, you need to learn Amazon Web Services, MS Azure. Mathematics, statistics, linear algebra, differential calculus, etc. Data analysis, feature engineering, data wrangling, exploratory descriptive analysis. In machine learning, you must know classification, regression, reinforcement learning, deep learning, clustering, dimensionality reduction, etc. So these are the top 10 algorithms I have explained already. Linear regression to a priori algorithm. A priori algorithm is a frequent pattern mining algorithm. In order to find out frequent items, suppose you are going to market, you are finding every week bread and jam. Okay, why you are purchasing bread and jam? It is a breakfast item. It's a combination like that. Who are taking combination items? Manager is observing your behavior and pattern. So by applying a priori and frequent pattern mining algorithms, FP growth algorithm. Then for data storage, we are having tools. For data transformation, we are having tools. For modeling, we are having tools. For visualization purpose, we are using the tools. For other tools, we are using the tools. For data storage, we are using Mongo database, Hadoop, MySQL. It joins what RDBMS do for a living. Then data transformation, we are using Spark, Python, SQL. If you can change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Then model. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. We are using pandas, scikit-learn, and AI usually beats natural stupidity. Then visualization, in order to generate graphs, line chart, bar chart, and any chart, we are using various libraries like ggplot and matplotlib, okay, D3. So then other tools like Kafka and various tools. So data science minimum, you need to have knowledge on mathematics, statistics, ethical skills, team player skills, lifelong learning skills, communication skills, real world project skills, machine learning skills, data visualization skills, data wrangling and pre-processing skills, coding skills, Python or R. So skills, a data scientist have data mining, big data, research analytics, machine learning, Python or data analysis. So there are various analysis on daily basis. Data scientist versus data engineer. So there are various differences and various responsibilities are there. Data scientist and data engineer. So data scientist, see here, he develops, construct and test and maintain architecture such as databases and large scale processing systems. Whereas data engineer conducts research to answer in industry and business questions. Second one, it ensures architecture will support the requirement of the business. Second difference, leverage large volume of data from internal and external sources to answer that business. Data scientists discover opportunities for data acquisition. Data engineer employs sophisticated analytics programs, machine learning, and statistical methods to prepare data for use in a predictive and prescriptive modeling. Data scientists develop data set processes for data modeling, mining, and production, whereas data engineer explore and examine data to find hidden patterns, employ a variety of languages and tools, scripting languages to marry systems together. So automate work through the use of predictive and prescriptive analytics. And see the last difference, recommended ways to improve reliability, efficiency, and quality. It tells stories to key stakeholders based on their analysis. So skills required by a data scientist, statistics 70 to 80%, 70 to 80% predictive modeling, 10 to 15 machine learning, 30% text mining, 5% visualization. Okay, then what are the applications of data science? So there are various applications: image recognition application, speech recognition application, internet search, price comparison websites, gaming, digital advertisements, delivery logistics, recommender systems, fraud and risk detection. Data science use cases I have explained: healthcare, internet searches, speech recognition, targeted advertising, predictive system, image recognition, online dating, fraud and risk detection, price comparison websites like Amazon, Flipkart, product delivery, etc. And these are the domains: banking sector, manufacturing domain, e-commerce domain, healthcare, transport, finance. And these are the 5 application domains: fraud and risk detection, image and speech recognition, healthcare, augmented reality, and airline route planning. And why Python is so popular, my dear students? Because huge number of libraries are there, packages are there, APIs are there in Python. Next R, next Java. That's why nowadays Python is so popular. Even in Go programming also having packages. So data science use cases, who are using Amazon? Amazon, why they are using data science? Improve e-commerce experience. For that purpose, they are using Amazon data science. Uber, why Uber company using data science? Optimizing rides. Bank of America, why they are using data science? Increasing customer experience. Airbnb, why they are using data science? Improving searches. Data science in pharmaceutical industries. During COVID-19, all pharmaceutical industries captured huge volume of amount. And predictive modeling for maintain oil and gas supply, data science in biotechnology, data science in education. So these are the advantages of data mining: highly paid career, higher demands, bright future, multiple job profiles. And drawbacks of data science: complexity, less accuracy, no data security. So data analytics using statistical method. Now I am going to demonstrate practicals by using linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression. So data analytics, there are five concepts we are using in statistical methods like mean, standard deviation, regression, hypothesis testing, and sample size. Techniques like linear regression, non-linear regression, logistic regression. These are the top 10 statistical techniques we are using in data science. And data analytics using AI techniques. By using AI, you can predict and about consumer preferences, product development, and marketing channels. So in order to predict data analytics, we are using AI technologies. So AI technologies is nothing but A star algorithm, all machine learning, deep learning techniques we are using under artificial intelligence techniques. Then data analytics using data mining techniques. We are using classification, clustering, association, rule mining. Various techniques we are using. Top 10 data mining techniques like clustering, association, rule mining, data cleansing, data visualization, classification, machine learning, prediction, neural networks, outlier detection, data warehousing. These are the top 10 data mining techniques: anomaly detection, association learning, clustering analysis, classification analysis, regression analysis, choice modeling, rule induction, neural networks. And fourth concept, data analytics using artificial neural networks. So here I am using various neural networks classification techniques in order to predict and detect various applications. So by using artificial neural networks, learning paradigms, learning algorithms and topologies. Learning paradigms like supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. And learning algorithms like conjugate gradient, quasi network, steepest descent. Topologies like single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, networks with one recurrent layer. Then data analytics using machine learning techniques. So in order to generate interested analytics, we are using machine learning approaches like supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. So these are the 7 steps we are following in machine learning: collecting data, preparing the data, choosing the model, training the model, evaluating the model, parameter tuning, making predictions. These are the data mining techniques like classification, regression, and semi-supervised learning, dimension reduction, clustering, regression, etc. Data analytics using deep learning techniques in order to predict and detect various deep learning techniques we are using. Those are CNN, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and deep neural networks, long short-term memory learning techniques, Q learning and TD learning, gradient descent, Monte Carlo method, and deep Q networks, various algorithms we are using. So how to become a data scientist? By using all these concepts: database and process, statistical thinking, machine learning, visualization, data mining. How to become a data scientist? You need to have knowledge on statistics, programming skills, machine learning, data management, communication skills. So these are the most demand jobs in America and India. So first job is data scientist, highest paid package job. Then data analyst, then machine learning engineer, data architect, data engineer, business intelligence developer. Then these are the 12 highest paying programming jobs. Programming jobs like data scientist, ML engineer, software engineer, cloud engineer, DevOps specialist, penetration tester, blockchain specialist, database developer, front-end developer, back-end developer, full-stack developer, and mobile developer. And these are the research issues. According to Gartner survey, multiple data sources, data security, lack of clarity on business problem. These are the various challenges are there, especially. And according to Gartner survey, few more challenges like dirty data is a 49.4%, lack of data science talent, lack of management and financial support. These are various challenges of data science. So research in data science, you can use analytics and business information, business intelligence, data-driven science, artificial intelligence. So these are the various areas. These are the research areas, application domains and projects. You can use real-time big data management and information visualizations, simulation modeling, text processing and machine learning, and stream mining and analytics, e-health, smart business, city planning, powered electricity, social network, telecommunication, etc. The future of data science. See, various algorithms we are using: massive scale growth, geospatial, temporal, predictive analytics, hyperfast analytics, embedded deep learning, cognitive machine learning, natural language generation, structured database generation. What are the application in future? Cyber security data analytics, healthcare data analytics, Internet of Things, customer engagement experience, smart everything, human capital, data for societal good. So, in future of data science, problems in handling data, never-ending growth of data, increased demand for data scientists, popularity of machine learning, emerging source of data. First one is increase in data science roles. Second one, clearly defined scope of data science. Third one, creation of more jobs. Fourth one, normalized data science education. Fifth one, advancements in machine learning to foster data science. So this is a summary of data science. I have covered everything. I have covered statistical techniques, high performance computing, HPC, natural language processing, machine learning, behavioral economics, predictive analytics, data algorithm, Python, SQL, R, Julia, data mining, mathematical modeling. So all of them have a tech background. Machine learning and data mining are the common skills. Programming, statistics, database and visualization are the top areas they specialized. So with this one, I'm closing theory part. Now I'm going to demonstrate all the practicals. Please listen carefully. So before going to practical part, my YouTube channel is there. If you want to listen, my all all videos are presented in this YouTube channel. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe and you can listen my videos. Now I'm going to demonstrate practical session. Please see now. See, you just go to YouTube, just type my name like Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. If you are having any doubts, please see here in the YouTube. It will get Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu YouTube channel. You can click the first Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu type. You will get like this my channel. These are the videos are presented. Various, various videos are there. Okay. You can subscribe my channel. If you are having internet now, please do it. Please do it now. If you are having internet, you can do it. Now I am going to demonstrate practical part. See, first you need to download a Python package. Very simple. See, if you are having laptop, please do with me. So type Python software. So just go to welcome to Python. It takes only 1 minute. See now. So now go to downloads. See the Python 3.10.7 for Windows. Click this one. So I have downloaded now. See my screen is visible, sir. So please double click like this Python. So I'm installing now. See. So I have already installed Python. If you are first time installing, please check box is there like this window. Shortcut path. You need to add the shortcut path. It will come into on your command prompt. So I have installed Python. Now I'm checking. In the run command. Go to command prompt. See all of you. It takes only 1 minute. You can install. See now I have opened my command prompt. Now I am checking. Now I'm checking the version Python. Now check all of you. If you installed Python, if you are having internet, you can install Python. Now see the Python 3.10.7. One small program I'm going to show. Then after all the applications I'm going to show you. See, I'm assigned A value is 3, B is equal to 4. Now C is equal to A plus B. So now I'm taking the C value. This is the addition of two numbers. Same program I'm going to demonstrate with the dynamic. Now this is static input. Now I'm going to do A is equal to input of, you can give enter value of A. When small program I am showing so that you can do. Now it is asking enter value of A 4. Next B is equal to input of and enter value of B. Now it will ask B value 5. Now C is equal to A plus B. Now I am checking the C value. This is a dynamic input. Now same programs, Python is a object and scripting programming language. Python is developed by Guido van Rossum, Netherlands. So Python can be executed in two ways. One is IDLE and one more is scripting way. Now I am executing all the programs in scripting. I have demonstrated now. It is IDLE, Integration Development Learning Environment. Then now I am going to do same program in scripting way. You need to do this quit command. So quit command, you are coming to the scripting way. That is called, you can write your own program. Notepad, see. Now I am writing addition of two numbers using dynamic input. So my program aim is add. My program name is add.py. Now I am creating, see here. Now I am creating a program, notepad. A is equal to input of enter value of A. Next, B is equal to input of enter value of B. So now C is equal to A plus B. Print C. Like this, we are writing our own scripting code. Now, once completed, come to here, Python. See now, Python. Okay, add.py. Now it is asking A value of A is 4, value of B is 5. So 9. This is the way we are executing. Now I am going to demonstrate first application, linear regression. Now see here, CLS, notepad, linear regression. So linear regression, this is the program. See, import NumPy. NumPy is a package as NP from sklearn, and import matplotlib, and I'm taking data set 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 in the x-axis, and the y-axis I'm predicting all the values. Okay, so by using linear regression, mathematically I'm calculating mean square error, then I'm printing coefficient value, intercept value, slope value, and I'm predicting all y predicted values. Okay, if you know x value, y value, then you can predict x1, y1, you can predict x2, y2. Then finally plot plt.plot of x comma y, plt.show. Now I am going to demonstrate this program, Python. Hello sir, my screen is visible? Gopirajan sir.
Yes sir, it is visible sir.
Yeah, Python linear.py. Like this, you can demonstrate for every program. I am going to share with you. I have incorporated all, see, I have generated graph. I have generated linear regression. I have calculated on data set 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and I have calculated a coefficient value, mean square error, slope, predicted y values. So this is the predicted y values means if you know x1, y1 values, you can predict future value x2, y2, x3, y3, like that. So this is called a linear regression. Now I am going to demonstrate next Python nonlinear.py. So here also I have generated a coefficient value and mean square error, slope, and I have predicted by using nonlinear regression algorithm. Next, one more application, Python logistic regression based on the true and values. Target class is a true or false. See now I have generated graph by using logistic regression. This is the graph I have generated, and these are the predicted classes I have generated, intercept value, quotient value, and I have predicted all the y predicted values. Next, I am going to demonstrate artificial neural networks technique. Python, okay, ANN, artificial neural networks techniques. So Python, I am going to demonstrate ANN, artificial neural networks technique. Now it is going to demonstrate artificial neural network, ANN.py. Now I am going to explain. See, my program is running now. Sir, Gopirajan sir, my screen is visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yeah. Now see, my dear students, the accuracy is 90.94. So now if you want to see the program, notepad, ANN.py, artificial neural networks. This is the program. See, classification of multi-layer perceptron model for the Abalone dataset. I have taken CSV file format dataset. I have used NumPy package, Pandas, TensorFlow, sklearn, and I am loading the data. and I'm calculating the variance, skewness, kurtosis, entropy class, data set. Then I'm calculating data set values and features I'm extracting, and finally I'm printing the accuracy. So this is artificial neural networks. Next, k nearest neighbor. So now I'm going to demonstrate like this. I'm going to explain 20 applications. Sir, how much time is there? Gopirajan sir? Hello sir, k nearest neighbor. How much time is there, sir? Gopirajan sir?
Sir, you can demonstrate, sir. Maybe 10-15 minutes.
Okay. So this is one more k nearest neighbor application. See the accuracy 72.22% I got. Based on the data set I am generating, these are the outputs. Now I am going to demonstrate, because of time, I am going to demonstrate Omicron, COVID-19 data set. First I am going to show you data set so that you can see the data set, COVID data set. I have collected X-ray images. So these are the small data set I have taken, and negative and positive. See here, these are the data set I have taken for image, chest X-ray images. So see here, these are the chest X-ray images I have taken. Those are the test. These are the training. In the training, I have taken 75% training and 25% testing. So these are the two class classification. I have classified the data, image, chest X-ray images. Now I am going to execute COVID-19 virus. See here, CD, I am going to that folder, COVID folder. So now you can check in the COVID folder I have kept cnn.py. Now I am running the program, Python cnn.py. Now my program is running. It is going to classify the data. Now you can give any chest X-ray images. See, 242 images I have taken here. My screen is visible, Gopirajan sir. Here,
Yes,
found
sir.
242 images. Yeah, yeah. Now I am using convolutional neural networks on COVID chest X-ray image, whether it is a positive image or negative image. I have used Keras, TensorFlow. See, I am going to show you my code before going to this execution of this execution. See, now it is going to show the output. See now, first iteration is completed, first epoch. I have calculated loss and exploratory analysis with accuracy. So step one, I am getting, because if you run 50 times, it is going to classify. It gives very good accuracy. Now my program is running convolutional neural networks, and I kept only 3 epochs. So first epoch is completed, second epoch is completed. Now see here, value accuracy 87.50, and the value loss I got 0.44, and accuracy 0.57, and loss 1.02. So up to second epoch I got it. Now see here, and third step is running, and third epoch is running 3 by 3. Now it is going to complete. Now see the final accuracy and loss. So this is the final output of this chest X-ray images. If you want to see the output, you can go to here, and how many images it is classified. So negative images and positive images like this. Okay, so here you can see the how many images positive images, how many images are negative images. It is classified with accuracy. Next go to Omicron virus. Now see, Omicron virus I am going to demonstrate now. Omicron virus, first I am going to show you images. What are the Omicron CT scan images? See here, it is a latest application. So these are the images. Nearly 7,000 applications I have collected. 7,000 applications I am collecting. I have collected 7,000 CT scan images. So now I am going to demonstrate Omicron virus. Please see here. So now I am going to go to that folder, CD space Omicron. I am going to a folder called Omicron. So here you can check the data set. I have cached 2 folders: Omicron test, Omicron train. Now I am running Python cnn.py. Okay, so now it is going to run the program. It is going to classify, because see how many images it is found. So Gopirajan sir, my screen is visible. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So here, can you read the total images I have taken, sir? 8,971. Yes, sir. Now it is taking time. So meanwhile, I am going to demonstrate one more application called Monkeypox. See, all of you, one more application like this. Various applications I have demonstrated. 100 projects I have executed in my research laboratory. Please see here, I have collected all monkeypox images. My dear students, the program is running Omicron. Now see these are the monkeypox images. I have collected from the Kaggle and GitHub and UCI repositories. See here. So now I am going to demonstrate Monkeypox application. See, this application is still running. So meanwhile, If you are having any doubts, please ask me. Hello, my dear students. Sir, unmute them. Gopirajan, sir. Please unmute them. Let them ask any queries. Yeah. Yeah, please. Hello, my dear students. Please ask me doubts. So like this, I am going to demonstrate various applications. Still, the program is running here. See, the program is still running. That's why I'm canceling now. So because I'm going to show you one more application called, it is taking time. Yeah. Now see, few more applications like Python, SVM application. I'm going to support vector machine, svm.py. So it is also very good application. See here, I got 99.17 support vector machine application. Sir, from where to get the image data set? Who's that? Very good question. You can download from UCI standard repository is there, www.uci.com. UCI repository, you can download various data sets. Who's that? Sir, unmute them. Gopirajan sir, let them speak. Yeah, please unmute them all. Let them ask any queries. Any queries? My dear students, any queries?
Sir?
Yeah, please ask me. So,
Sir,
15. Yeah. Please ask me, madam.
Sir, good morning,
Good morning.
sir. Sir,
Good
actually,
morning,
I'm a research scholar.
Yeah.
I'm doing my research in image data set, that is I data set, sir. Like I'm searching for repositories for those data set, but I'm not getting proper data sets, sir. From where to get all those data sets?
Yeah, very good, very good. I'm going to give you the data set of eye or retina or any kind of data set. You can take my details from Gopirajan sir. I'm going to share with you. Don't
Okay,
worry.
sir. Okay, sir.
I'm going to
Thanks a
share
lot.
with you.
Okay.
And how many 48 students are there? Please subscribe my channel. Just go to YouTube. My dear students, please subscribe my channel and listen whenever you are free time. You can listen my videos and write your own comments. No problem.
Sir,
Madam,
can you hear me?
please ask. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Please.
Actually, one of my research scholar is working in image processing, sir. Sir,
Okay, madam.
can you hear me?
Yes, madam. Please
Hello?
speak.
Sir?
Yes, madam. Yeah. Please proceed.
Hello?
Hello, madam.
Hello, sir.
Please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, madam.
Sir, actually, where to get this sugar-related disease images, sir?
Yes. I'll provide, madam. I have that data set. I'll give you.
Sugar-related
Yeah.
because we have taken the healthcare data sets. We need for our research. We need sugar-related images, sir. So.
Yeah, definitely, madam. I'm going to share with you.
Then one more question. While doing the classification, what are the minimum images? How much image minimum needed for classifying this?
Yes, madam. Very good question.
For classification, what is the minimum image we need? Because for 10 to 15, we cannot expect a good accuracy. So at least minimum images needed for research.
Yes, madam.
Sir?
Madam, suppose.
Can you hear me, sir?
Question. Yes, madam. Yes.
I'm Dr. Nalini Priya, IT professor, sir. But this
whatever you are explaining is very, very useful, sir. That too for implementation, it's very, very useful.
Yes.
This is eye opener for all our IT and CSE students. It's a very, very excellent webinar, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you, madam. Thank you. Madam, minimum, suppose you are taking 100 images. Assume that 100 images. In 100, 75% you can take as a training data set and 25% you can use for testing. So definitely it will work. And if you continue keep on increasing image data sets, then you can find the different variations of accuracy and precision. Yes, madam. You can do a trial and error based method. So certain stage you will get very good accuracy and it will classify 100% once your model is good. Any queries? Madam, very good question, madam. Nalini Priya, madam, very good question. Any other queries? HOD sir, my dear faculty members, Gopinajan sir, faculty also. Yeah, sure, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir. Sir, any doubts? If faculty having, please let them ask. No problem. I'm going to clarify. Any faculty, you are having any doubts? And I'm going to clarify with the practical demonstration. Thank you, sir, for giving me wonderful opportunity. HOD, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Yeah.
Asadi sir, thank you so much for accepting our invitation for delivering such a wonderful lecture to our students. And
Yes,
it should have been very good eye opener as well as a practical exposure to all our students as well as few research scholars and faculty members from even various other departments. Thank you so much for this wonderful session, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And thanks to Gopi Rajan sir for finding out such a wonderful resource person. And the great thing is that you are ready to help our students and faculty members even beyond the corresponding session. So that's what is so important. Thanks for your support, and we will try to utilize whatever is possible, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes.
And
Yes.
I have seen your once I saw your profile, I visited your YouTube channel also. They are also very informative, and hope this will also be useful for many such students and scholars.
Yes. Thank you,
On
sir.
behalf of Savita Engineering College, management principal, vice principal, dean, and faculty members and students, we thank you for this excellent session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah, definitely. You can include my name as a keynote speaker. I'll explain 10 to 15 minutes latest trends in IT sector.
Sure, sir. It is AICT sponsored, sir.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Help us with the collaboration for.
We can do collaborative research work. I'm going to send you MOU.
Thank you.
It's a mutual understanding, sir. Nothing. Yes. No need to pay anything, and I'm going to give my knowledge to students and faculty if they require. We can have MOU. Okay, sir.
Sir, can you share your mail ID and contact number,
yes,
sir?
Yes,
so that we can note down.
Gopinajan, sir. He will.
On behalf of South Engineering College, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, I extend a really heartfelt vote of thanks to our chief guest, Asadi Srinivasulu sir, who spared time from his busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts and will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. My gratitude to all the speakers for gracing the occasion and sharing their opinions today. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.